Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Right now I'm in my village, one of the most peaceful places in Manipur. And see, all my team members are ready. We have beautiful flowers, hydrangea. It's very popular in my village. It's a beautiful flowers. This is Peace Pond, and we have a crew member here, Wimadubou Shingbengmai. He is ready to go.
Hello guys. Peace out.
Thank you for attending. And this is my village, Tucha village. See, one of the most peaceful places in Manipur, Northeast India. See the view, guys. Wow, it's really refreshing. All my crew members are ready. Oh, they are ready. See. Come on, let's go. Now we will be going to zoom cultivation. Yeah, roaming. Yeah. On the way to fuel, mountain fuel. This is my crew member. Hi ha ha ha. Makhui sarapan buon bu pazaye. Guys, can you look here once to everyone? See, she's holding flowers with a beautiful smile. Now we almost reach our destination. Destiny. Check. Well, now we reach our destiny. This is God Farm. God Farm. GOAT God Farm. This is farmhouse. We almost reached farmhouse. One of the most unique house in forest. I'm very tired, guys. Finally, wow. Let's get inside, guys. Wow. Hey, remove your shoes, sister. Wow, this is like. Oh! Let's get dressed. Dress up. Come on. One of my best friends. This is the owner of this house. Chief of this house. Very tired. And this is our kitchen, and we hunt animals, and we have firehouse here and firewood. And see, we can sit here. This is all made by wood. See all the materials. This is a knife, and we have balcony. We drink. We do everything what we like. So come on, guys. This is our bedroom. And we have a beautiful ladies out here. They take photos for the memory. And say what can you say? Can I hold this?
Of course, of course.
Thank you.
Ay.
Woo! Finally we reached our destiny, and thank you so much to Team Cowboy of Tucha. Can you please some pause? How was it? I like it. So see all the woods, all the green woods, and we had my bodyguard here. Say hi. Can you say hi?
Hello guys.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Now we will be going to another destiny, paddy field, zoom cultivation. See you there. Wow, welcome to zoom cultivation. Come on. Woo!
Hi.
And crew member, some of our 3 crew member, they are in the camp, and now we are in paddy field. Hi, how was it, guys? After this year we will be continue. Welcome to paddy field. Saya This is zoom cultivation. Woo! Weather was heavy. Guys, can you follow me? Woo! Here you go. Okay. Here you go. This is our very last view. See the view? The view. Wow, it's very nice. And thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe and share. Thank you, bye. See you next time. And this is my videographer. Videographer, hi. Woo! Oh, my crew member. Woo! Thank you. See you next time. Thank you everyone. And so to my team member, crew member. Thank you guys. Now I'm on the way to my home, back home. See you next time. Bye.
Sit. Produce sit. Good. Jump. Sit there.
$180 degrees.